Okay, in this question, they first ask you to find out what the function is. And the question is, there's $58,000 that they're putting in, and they're putting it in at 6.5% interest, and the money is compounded quarterly. I think that's what the question is. And so if they ask you for what the function is that controls that, this right here looks perfect, other than if they just want to know what the function is, you don't plug anything in for t, you would just put a t there. Now, one thing that they do, and I like how this looks here, this would be good, but what they do in my labs is they want to simplify that part right there. So if you take that and go 0.065 divided by 4 and then add 1 to it, you'll get this at the top. Okay, so everything looks good what you had done, except you need to put a t up there. And simplify this to figure out what that is as a decimal, and it's that there. Okay, try a similar question.